because then I look down at the clock that's on my monitor and it's like 90 seconds. Okay, so love the idea of the dinnerware. Look, even if you have no interest in the dinnerware, you already have a set, like please take a look at this right here because this is beautiful enough to leave out all year round, all the time. It is melamine in the serving tray.
Nice, generous size. Look how big that is.
If you were to buy, I don't know, some kind of disposable something for pastries or something like that at the grocery store, it's going to rival this price tag. This is $17.98, 5 easy payments of $3.60. You can't see us, but we're both shaking our heads.
We are.
We can't even get over this price tag.
Right.
Straight to colors, please.
And clearance, of course, you know that means we're retiring
That's
it,
it,
so you will not see it again. So there's your blue in our classic. Look how gorgeous the confetti is. I'm obsessed with the palm.
Really pretty.
Look how beautiful that palm is. Again, nice tropical detail. Then, of course, we have Garden. Garden's going to have your critters. Look at how sweet that is. And then Jen has the yellow. I love how beautiful that yellow looks in the melamine. And then last but not least, of course, we have the patriotic. Like, look how beautiful this table is. All of our garden pieces are beautiful melamine layered in with our beaded runners and beaded placemats. And then you pop the tray down in the center. Hot dogs and hamburgers, corn on the cob, baked potatoes, all of those things we look so forward to.
We've come such a long way from the flimsy paper and aluminum everything that we grew up with.
Right.
Did you say gross?
Yes, yes, everything gross. But look, this is what I love about it. A nice, generous size, 16 inches. But again, this is something that we can't get back into.
Cake on that.
You could easily put a sheet cake on there. Love that. Great idea.
I saw something online that said, you know, as a grown-up, you can buy a sheet cake when it's not your birthday.
Oh,
nobody checks.
See? It's true. Nobody cares, right? It's like just you and the sheet cake.
All right, so let's go through the colors one more time because I think some of these are getting limited. We have the patriotic, come on, happy 4th of July and all the things. There's the yellow. I'm making this up, these color choices, you're gonna have to take.
Here's your palm.
Thank you.
There's your confetti. And then last but not least, there's your blue.
Awesome. All right, H257742. And then it stores up.
I was just going to say, if you pick up a couple of them,
and they don't
you can
take
have a whole
up
stack.
any space. I still love this for the RVer, all the melamine stuff.
Everybody on the move.
All right, strainer time.
Oh, my face.
If you notice, I'm not even like pausing to chit chat or anything. It's like, go, touch each one. Like.